and it's a four-wheel drive.
He's running commentary including the impact the pursuit's having on other drivers.
There's traffic chaos here. No, sorry, I'm just a bit wound up. There's traffic chaos here. He's trying everything he can to run me off the road. He's collided with me. There he goes. He's coming in between me and another vehicle, nearly ran the other vehicle off the road.
So how does this all started?
I have no idea. He was behind me. I put my brakes on. He locked up. Here he comes on the roundabout.
The chase continues, but is about to reach a dramatic climax.
There, he just collided with me twice. He's pushing me into the barrier. You've got to get someone here. This dude is crazy. Here he goes. Ah!
Then, the moment Ken thought he was going to
No,
die.
he's jumping on my bonnet. I smashed my windscreen.
Did you stop your car?
No, because he just jumped. I did stop my car. He jumped on the bonnet. He's just smashed my windscreen and he's fallen off the bonnet. He's lying in the road now.
He's lying on the road?
Yeah, I'm looking in my rear vision mirror. I've driven off. He's lying in the road.
Did you just hit him?
No, he was on the bonnet and I tried to get away and he fell off. I
Keep
didn't.
driving then. Don't go back.
I'm not going back. Are you crazy?
Okay.
Oh, guy.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Close the wall.
You should probably slow down.
How funny would that be?
If the truck crashed, that'd be insane, dude. And also, I have it on video.
That'd be sick.
No. Seriously? Actually?
It's a truck.
Oh my god, is that the same guy?
Oh!
Dude, he had a crash
I'm
out.
so happy.
So you're telling me this guy... Hey.
Oh, you love to see it. That's him. That's
Yeah.
the guy. Oh.
Amazing. At least he only crashed himself.
Oh my god, that's so funny. That's so funny.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Calgary Trail Northwest, Alberta 2 South.
My
How am I supposed to smell that, you stupid bitch?
巴士撞咗埋去，我睇住佢冇停啊，係啊，睇住佢冇停啊，冚咗埋去，死啦死啦個司機，個司機冇事，個司機冇事，個司機冇事，個司機冇事。
Waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the strength, you gotta say.